We did have old fencing around because we had to do the deer protection, and this is the old fencing, so we just kind of threw it up with, what is that, chicken fencing, Tony? And some T-post, and then as you can see, whatever metal poles we had laying around. So it did the trick, but we wanted something a little more aesthetically pleasing, I guess you could say. So we're hoping it looks good, so stay tuned to see what it looks like.
Well, decent day out today, so thought we'd go ahead and put the permanent fencing around all of the fruit trees. We're going to put 4x4 posts in all the corners. We'll stretch it around it with some 1x, probably 1x6s, 2 rows, probably one top, one at the bottom, and then maybe fencing in between. We got to keep the deer away from the trees. Not only will they eat the fruit, that's one thing, but the deer also like to scrape their antlers on these small trees. So we got to get it before they go into get their antlers, and then they start molting where they want to rub them off. So we lost 2 trees, well actually 1, but they uprooted 2 trees the first year we put them out. So don't want that to happen again. So I made me a frame so that all the fence posts are the same distance apart, and after we dig the holes, you lay the frame on it, you drop the poles in, that way they're all the same size. But that's the job for today.
Tony and I have already had a full day today. We are redoing the fence around our fruit trees, as he stated earlier. And we did a preliminary check here just to get things ready. Then we had to run to Home Depot, didn't we, Tony?
Yep.
And
Stand in line.
the corona issues are going on, so they only let 100 people in at a time, so we had to stand outside for about 15 minutes waiting to get in. So it's not a quick run in and run out kind of deal, but we got everything we need. We got all the boards here. As you can see, we've started the process, and Tony made a template that we're using that's turned out nice. So right now we're just trying to figure out how far the spacing is going to go for this. So we're in the process of doing like a trial one right now, just to kind of see how we want the spacing. But as you can see, he's already used an auger and he's drilled out all the holes and got those put in place. So we're going to get everything set with this first one here, and then we'll continue the process on down for all of the fruit trees. We do have lots of other things to be doing, but this one's been on our list for a couple years, so we wanted to go ahead and get it done so we can weed eat under the fruit trees and everything. Up, way up. Oh, down just a little bit. That's good, right there. Okay. So how high is this?
4.
This is at 4 foot? That looks a little high.
That is now.
I think it's too high. Maybe we should go 3.5, or so we could do like 1 and 3, or 2 and 3.5. I don't know how big you want the spacing. Did you move it down? Nope. There. Down one more. Oh, up. Okay. Okay. Ta-da! So we are finally finished with our professional fencing that we put up. We're just gonna finish the project with these end caps. We did get these on Amazon for each of the 4x4 posts. It just requires one screw in the top. Not only do they look good, but it'll help shed the water from, you know, getting on the top and help protect the post a little bit. But mainly we got them for the look of it. So it just requires the one screw, and we'll go ahead and get the finished cap on here. Nice and tight. One more. Ta-da! All done. Another project finished. Oh, it's a sack of eggs. That is a huge spider. Oh my God, it's a full sack of eggs. Wow, look at that.
Inches long, from end of feet to end of feet, easily 3 inches. Yeah. That's why I was sticking the T-post down there, so you can kind of get a size of the T-post.
Where'd it go? Oh, there it is. That is a BAS.